Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Photoshop tutorials, how to lighten background. As example, I will open this image and we need to select for the background. I will use these tools, quick select tools, and then I will select for the background like this. For a negative, you can press Alt and then I will click in here, set negative selection. Don't forget to press Alt buttons on keyboard. Then it will be automatically tracking the object. Okay, that's it. And if you're done, you can go to this option in the right bottom and then choose brightness or contrast to be created for new max, and then you can decrease the brightness in here to lighten the background like this. I will increase the constraint, or you can decrease into this point. Okay, that's it for basic Photoshop tutorials, how to lighten background. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.